Hi everybody, welcome back to Craft Cafe. Since we're still in the middle of spring, even though last week felt so much like summer, I decided to go ahead and make these cute origami birds that you can use to decorate around your house, perhaps put in a window. They're a lot of fun. Let's go ahead and get this project started. Okay, so to get started on the origami birds, we're going to go ahead and use a 6 by 6 inch piece of paper, and you can use a magazine, newspaper, printer paper, line paper, whatever you have. If you'd like your bird to be small, you can use a smaller piece of paper as long as it's a square, or a larger bird, a larger piece. So go ahead and take your paper and fold it in half. Open it up, turn it, and fold it in half again, just in the other direction. Open it up, turn it, and this time we're going to fold it at the diagonal in half. Open your paper, we're going to flip it over and fold it in half in the other direction that you just did. Okay, so open your paper and gently underneath at the bottom middle, we'll go ahead and push it up to flip the folds. We're going to take the sides of our paper and push them in to collapse it and form a diamond. So we have this with our opening at the bottom. Go ahead and set your paper down and put your finger here at the midpoint at the bottom to help guide your next fold. You're going to take the top flap and we're going to fold it up and in, meeting the crease in the middle there. We're going to do the same thing to the other side, just the top flap, folding it up and in, meeting the middle. Okay, so we have this. We're going to turn it over and do the same thing to this side. Setting our finger here to guide, folding it up and in. Same to this side, up and in. Okay, so we should have sort of a small kite. After we've done that, we're going to take the folds that we just made, the front and the back, and open them up. So we are back to our diamond again. Go ahead and set it down, and with your finger, just the top piece of paper, we're going to push up. So leaving all of the rest of this down. Push up, and we're going to push back, but gently setting our finger there to kind of give it a little bit of a crease to open it up. The next part's a little hard because of our folds. We're going to take the outer corners here. We're going to push them in to collapse it, forming a very long diamond shape. Okay, so we got that done pretty easily. I'm happy. So we have this. We're going to turn it over and do the same thing to this side. Set it down, push up slightly, kind of giving a little bit of a crease in there to open your paper up. Take the outer edges and push them in to collapse it. Oh, I'm a little bit crooked, but I think we're okay. Okay, so we have our very large diamond, long diamond there. Okay, next, you're going to take the top flap, top portion, and push it down. So we have this with our kite here, and then the point here. Go ahead and fold your paper in half. Okay, so we have 3 points down here. The outer ones are our wings. We're going to go and take the top one, give it a little fold, fold this way. Kind of fold it along the line there. Turn it over, and we're going to do the same thing with this top flap to meet it on the other side. So we have that, the form of our bird. Okay, next we're going to go ahead and turn it so that we can open it up again like this, so where we can see our little kite there. Go ahead and pull that down about halfway. Pull it down and push down on the middle also, and then pinch it. Okay, you pinch and you kind of close your paper back up on it, pulling the middle part out so that we have our feet. Okay, so we have our feet there, our tail, excuse me, and then our head. Then we will go ahead and turn the paper, our bird over here, like this, facing you. Open it up a little while pushing halfway down from where the beak is, the head. We'll go ahead and give it a little fold there. Give it a fold. And next you're going to push it back up so the beak pokes out. And then we are going to close it like that. So we have our head there, our wings, our feet, and we've got our bird. You can kind of push the beak down a little if you like, and opening the head up a little. And there you got it, your origami bird. You can set these in your window. They're really cute. I have mine on my coffee mug, or my tea. Thank you again for joining me. I really enjoyed it today. I hope you have a good week.